Meet David, a top property agent in Beverly Hills, California, place known for its luxury real estate and high-profile clients. Today was supposed to be his big day, impressing a high-profile client and closing one of his most significant deals yet. But something unexpected happened. As David picked up the client, everything seemed perfect. His presentation was on point. His confidence was high until his client stepped into his car. The dust on David's dashboard triggered a sneezing fit for his client. The discomfort grew, and the perfectly planned property viewing turned into an awkward and strained experience. Despite all his efforts, David lost the deal due to one overlooked detail: a dirty car. Don't let this be you. Introducing the Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit. Secret to maintaining a pristine car interior and a professional image. The Pulidiki Cleaning Gel is an innovative tool designed to remove dust, debris, and dirt from all those hard-to-reach places in your car, like air vents, cup holders, and dashboards. Just press the gel onto the surface, and it grabs the dust, leaving a spotless finish. It's reusable, eco-friendly, and works not just in your car, but also for cleaning your home and office gadgets. Don't let a small mistake cost you big. Get your Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel today. Click the link in the description to ensure you're always prepared, no matter the occasion. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out the link to keep your car and your life spotless with Pulidiki.